Okay, so here we are today, clay shooting. There's Mr. Pasquale and another friend Alan. And this is the clubhouse here, look.
What you got there, English or ISU?
Here we are.
What you got there,
This is Alan here, look. Say hello to the channel, Alan.
Hello, camera.
Right, there he is, look. He's a top shooter today, I think. This is Pasquale. Just say hello to the channel, Pask.
Hello, channel.
There he is. This is Pasquale Ratucci.
He's a wonderful day today.
Yes. Yeah.
Try and do a little bit of shooting.
Yeah.
And a bit of lunch.
Pask used to be a male model, didn't you, Pask?
I did, but
Molto bene.
I gave up, let Derek move in on that.
Yeah, so here we are. So as I say, we'll continue on. We'll try and show you a bit of some sort of shooting anyway. We'll see how we go. Right, you're now live, Pask. You're being filmed as you speak. You're a star. You're a star on the channel now, Pask. I mean, ratings might go up when I get you on.
It might do.
When you go onto YouTube, Pask. Am I on first?
Single wall, pair.
And you can't see them here, can you?
Hopefully we can, so we're done.
So it's a single eye.
They got safety off and all that stuff.
Fuck knows.
Oh, which barrel are you on?
Paul.
Wrong barrel.
That looks right good on camera.
Put them both in. Put two in.
Is that bottom barrel?
That's bottom barrel.
Right.
Don't.
Yeah, so that was my fault there. I put the, what do you call it, the select on the wrong selection. Paul. Mark. Paul.
Derek has missed.
That was a miss, Pass. I have to repeat the high one pass now.
Are you gonna take the one you shot? Because you'll be one short to end. Take that as your optional technique. That one you missed.
Okay.
If you take an optional, you'll be a bit short to end, won't you? Because
Well,
you've shot 5 now. You've had 5 targets.
Well,
You've only shot 4.
what? Phew.
Go. Ah.
Whew.
Did you miss them now? I didn't see them. Did you break them? I didn't see them. Close.
No, he missed them both.
Did it both?
Yeah.
So dust. Go. Balls of dust.
Come off, Pask. There you go. Watch it. Now the stallion's up to shoot now. This is the stallion up to shoot now. Look.
Pull.
Oh, lost bird, repeat eye, please.
Right. Right. Pull. Mark. That's some kicking this, isn't it?
I know, that's what I thought. Nearly woke me up.
Kicking.
Oh, smack me right in the mouth. Mighty black. Unfortunately, now Pasquale comes up to the stand here. We're going to get a bit of a close-up here. There's the pressure on, Pask.
Shaking.
Shaking.
I'm shaking.
He's shaking. Look, the camera's shaking. Okay.
With a borrowed gun as well. And a borrowed gun.
Yes.
Pull. And it misses the high house. Calls for the low house. Pull. And it misses the low house. Pressure is on now.
The pressure is on now for a pair. You've got to shoot a pair now, Pasquale.
Sit, Clay out, Rabbit. You're going out top. Okay. Pull. And he shot the wrong bird first.
Shot the
We'll
wrong-
give him a kill loss. And he shot the bit.
Oh. Here we have Alan now.
Pull. Slow pull.
Oh,
Mark.
oh, perfection.
You just
Perfection.
to pieces.
Absolute perfection from Alan there. Well done there, Alan. Very well done.
Sponsored, you're back.
Yeah, sponsored, look. Birds All Farms, Pontefract. Now there we got Pask off again.
Here we go now.
Passes a grenade on the mighty black.
Well,
But as you can see, he can miss with.
the second shot in
He can miss with any gun.
behind it for a kill. Your first shot was behind it, you're in line, but you're behind target.
Behind the target, Pask. Hey.
Now a low bird. Now a low bird.
No low bird, Pask.
Now a low bird. Well,
No, you can't keep shooting two at them.
and he keeps missing these targets. Heaven knows why.
Yeah, heaven knows why. Heaven knows why. Right.
Now this is did it on his stand 6. Taking a high bird.
Up,
Kill.
up.
Kill. Beautiful pair. Now he takes a pair. Low bird first. As the referee approaches, Mr. DC comes with his foul shot. Toe over the line.
Up.
And it's a kill. It's a lost kill.
Oh, that was a lost kill from Big D there. But it has been 9 months since he's been out of the fucking cabinet, so come on. Right, okay. Come on, eh? Now this is Alan, he shoots every day, so we're expecting big things.
Whoa.
Perfect. Perfect.
That Skeet smokes him, doesn't he?
Smokes them. What do you think, Pask?
I'm just flabbergasted by those kills. I think he's using a very special cartridge that we don't know about.
Whoa.
Oh, perfection. Perfection, Alan. Right, Pask, over to you.
But he has been training at North of England shooting
Yes,
ground
he's been
7 days a
training.
week.
Training
For the
and
past
training. What, do you want the
15
film
years.
or button? We'll put it on your head.
Well,
Oh, underneath it, first shot.
and a second shot at him.
Definitely underneath it on the first shot, Pask.
We're having no dinner.
Now there's a big cock pheasant walking
Yeah,
about.
there, I can see him down there, yeah, big cock pheasant. We just seen hen pheasant with chicks, didn't we, Pask?
Yeah.
Come on, Pask, now. Oh, he thinks he's on bloody trap shooting, Pask. Hey? Here, out bloody
It's a pair,
camera.
it's a
Who's You've had a pair. You've just shot 4 shells.
No, he hasn't. He
Oh,
shot 4 shots, but on it 2 clays.
Oh, did he?
Now he takes-
Oh,
he takes a pair.
oh dear hell. No wonder you have to buy a lot of cartridges, Pask.
Well,
Pair lost.
fast. Every time you're a foot behind it.
Waste of time. Waste of time shooting.
Yeah, Ray, you're on camera duty. Just tap that at the screen, you can see. Right. Over there now.
Now for the last stand.
Is it high or low first?
Single low to start with.
Can't really remember. That's as good as I am. What?
And a single high.
Mark. It brings out the love of everybody, does the camera. I don't think we've been recording actually.
Well.
Beautiful.
Well.
Beautiful. I don't think we've been recording, Alan. We're recording now, so I've got the red light on. Right, Pask, it's over to you now.
Over to us now.
Want it recording when I
No,
kill
we ain't
go?
got the red light on, had we?
Oh
See
dear.
if I've got 20 shells.
So we've got another battery, we can do another film. I can edit it good.
Well. Sorry.
Oh, perfect, Pask, perfect.
It's not my fault. I should have been a low butt first. Take a low butt now. Well.
Now a pair for the stallion.
There for the stallion.
Pair for the stallion now.
As it blows the smoke out,
Oh,
there's the barrels for the perfect pellet shot.
Yes, perfect.
Hope you don't miss.
Oh,
Oh,
That's one way
perfect.
to finish.
Perfect, and that was a round of skeet. Now we're going to try it again. Right, so we've got a high bird and a low bird.
Single light, single low.
Pull! Mark! Pull! Whoa! Mark. Whoa! Whoa! That was no bird, that.
And the excuse, I'll take it.
It were, but...
Optional live bird.
Ball. Mark. Ball. Mark. Oh. High bird, please.
I'm falling, it's like leaving it go.
Ball.
Oh, yeah, beautiful.
Ball. Back. Ball. Back. Back. So, yes, these are the new Beretta glasses which Pasquale's going to give me. He says I can have them for being a good mate. I says, thanks, Pas, that's very decent of you. He said they're only worth about a fiver anyway.
Single low.
Fucking knackered. Whoa! Mark! Whoa! 23.